So guys, welcome to another video from CarAndTech. So this is an unboxing of the Boult Swing, which is a new smartwatch from Boult. So I ordered this from Flipkart and I received the package in 4 days. I don't know why Flipkart took such a long time to get me the package, but anyway, it has reached me right now. And guys, so this is the packaging of the Boult Swing. I already opened this package, but then I thought I'll just give an unboxing for you so you can know how the watch is, and then my final and ultimate review how the watch is performing. But this is just an unboxing, guys, and not a full review. So this is the thing, which the sticker which comes on top of the watch, right? And we have a charging cable, which is a magnetic type 1, and we have some registration manuals, and finally we have a booklet describing how to operate the watch and how to download the software by using the QR code. So guys, this is how the watch looks like. It comes with a beige colored strap, and I already configured the watch, and there is actually a small switch over here. It is not like a key which we usually see in other watches, but it is just a small button. And well, the build quality, I would say this is actually they say it's a zinc alloy or something, but I believe this is some kind of plastic, guys. I'm not sure this is alloy, maybe it is, I'm not sure. But anyway, the build quality is good. It is tough, I would say it is tough, and it is a little bit thick also. It is not slim. And well, the straps are good quality. I would not say these are like very flimsy ones. These are very good quality. And I think I'll compare it with my another smartwatch, which is the, what do you call this thing? The Pebble Cosmos, I would say. And I've been using the Pebble Cosmos Ultra, I believe, for a couple of months, and I'm very satisfied with the build quality, as it has a metallic finish, and the speaker quality, while the phone calls and the music quality is really amazing. But when you compare it to this watch, the Boult, I would say it's an okay type, and the display is also not that good as the Pebble. And this is an okayish display, but they say it is around 2 inches, 2.1 inches, but this is 1.9 inches. But this one, the Pebble, looks a little bit bigger than the Boult. I don't know, but I feel so. And yeah, the display quality is also very good with the Pebble. Alright, now let's keep the Pebble on the side and see this watch. I believe the thing is, I expected a much better display from Boult, but I would say the display quality is average. You cannot even compare it to the Pebble Cosmos, but definitely the Cosmos is relatively costlier watch. But this is just for 17,999, but right now they increased the price to 19,999. For 17,999, this is okayish. I would say this is a good watch. It can be used by both females and males, and there won't be any issues while they're using them. And with regard to the settings, I would say, let me just zoom in a little bit. Right, here you go. So with regard to settings, it's almost the same as the Pebble. I think they're using the same software as it is, and it's like so if you want to change the display wallpaper, you just need to press it and move it like this. And guys, we have actually more than 100 wallpapers for this thing. I think around 150 or something, and yeah, you have a lot of choice for that. I think it's almost the same as a Pebble, right? And what else? Yeah, the speaker quality is average, I would say. It is not loud. Even if you play the music, it is not loud. I'll be coming up with a major review with this watch soon. So this is just a plain unboxing, and we have a Boult logo in the strap also, and we have the sensors over here and the charging points over here. Okay, and when you swipe to the right side, you can see the activity data, or where you can track your activities, and we have call records, favorite contacts, and a dialer. So as I already told you, I was not satisfied with the call quality of the watch. I mean, the sound is very less. over the voice that is coming out of the watch is very less. And we have a heart rate monitor and some send thing, which will, I don't know what it is. Oh, I have to check it out. Okay, let me just see how it works. Yes, I don't know if it's a O2 or something. I have to check this out maybe later. And yes, we have a sleep tracker also, and the music player, right? And let me show you how the app is, how good the app is. Okay guys, so this is the app which is used by the Boult Swing smartwatch. So this is the app which is being used by the Boult Swing watch, and it is almost, I mean not almost, it's similar to the Pebble Cosmos app. So I think they are using a common standard platform for these smartwatches. So again, we have the, the device. If it's binded and all, you can see that here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Yes, and then we have your registration info, and yeah, that's it. And then we can see the the health measurement, right, and the distance and the step and all those. It's almost similar to the Pebble Cosmos app. You can, if you want, you can just click on my Pebble Cosmos app review and find how I did that review. Well, and yeah, it has push notifications for certain means almost all the for common apps, and then it has activity reminder, dial library. So let me see how the dial library is. Alright guys, so this is a dial library which we have in the Boult Swing watch, and it's almost the same like the Pebble. So they use this common standard platform for all these watches. We have more than 150 wallpapers, and it is very easy to set these wallpapers. Just press it and sync dial, so it will be transferred to the watch. So that's it for this review guys. Not much. I'll give you a full update or review of the watch after using it for a couple of days. So stay subscribed to my channel, and thanks a lot for watching.